In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use leverage in cryptocurrency futures trading on the Kucoin exchange. If you're new to this concept, don't worry. I'll guide you through every step, providing clarity and understanding along the way. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Kucoin website. This is your launching pad for accessing all the innovative tools and opportunities that Kucoin offers to enhance your cryptocurrency trading experience. Once you're there, the next step is to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions for setting up a new account. For those who already have an account, simply click on the login link, enter your credentials, and proceed. Always ensure your login details are secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you're logged in, head back to the Kucoin homepage. Now, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the layout to efficiently navigate the platform. On the homepage, you'll find an option labeled Derivatives. Clicking here will open up more advanced trading opportunities, including futures, a powerful tool for traders looking to maximize potential returns. After entering the Derivatives section, you will see an option called Leveraged Tokens. It's important to understand that leveraged tokens are financial derivatives that give you the ability to amplify your exposure to cryptocurrencies without having to manage the collateral, margin, or liquidation risks associated with traditional margin trading. Click on this option to explore the leveraged trading opportunities available to you. Next, you will need to click on Kucoin Leveraged Tokens. Kucoin provides a diverse array of tokens that you can trade, providing flexibility and enabling you to tailor your investments according to your trading strategy and risk management needs. Leveraged tokens are a great way to capitalize on short-term market movements without the risks and complexities of managing a futures position directly. Remember, trading with leverage can significantly magnify both gains and losses. It's essential to thoroughly understand market conditions and have a solid risk management strategy in place. Always trade responsibly and never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and maintaining a cautious approach, you can effectively use leverage in cryptocurrency futures trading on Kucoin to potentially increase your investment returns. There you have it. A simple and straightforward guide to using leverage in your cryptocurrency trades on Kucoin. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials. Happy trading!